This is a how-to on how to do a spin hook kick. And this is a variation of the hook kick, just adding a 360 spin, okay? So I'm going to show you a demonstration of this kick first, and then we're going to break it down together afterwards.
That's just love.
Good, and that's the spin hook kick, okay? So it might look a little daunting at first, but this kick is actually quite easy to break down step by step. First things first, we want our kicking leg in the back, okay? So we have our stance here, our kicking legs in the back like so, okay? Now think of it that you're doing a hook kick, but with a turn in the beginning. So if I'm here, my target is there. Literally from there. The easiest way of doing this kick is to make things easy for yourself. So I don't want to bring my leg up from here and go round because I'm not going to make it round to hit my target. Okay? If you're my target, I want to get the kick out the same as the hook kick. It wants to start here and finish there and really have the maximum speed and impact through that impact of that target. Okay? So we're here. My kicking leg is in the back. First things first, I'm going to just turn and pivot on that front foot. Okay, see how I'm on the ball of the foot there and my hips are starting to turn already. So I'm here, I turn, pivot that front foot, my hips have gone, they're turning. Okay, so just by turning that front foot over, it rolls your hips also. Pivot, turn. Now doing that, I want to carry on that flow all the way around until I can see my target. So watch, from here, I turn, pivot on that foot, I'm going to carry on all the way around. Now I can see my target before I've even released this kick or brought it off the floor, okay? That's what you want to achieve. I've pivot, I've turned my hips, my guard is round, my hips have led the way, and now all that's left is that leg to follow and really make impact through that kick, okay? Now once you've got to here, you just want to do the hook kick that we did earlier. So I'm going to pick up that back foot, the weight transfers onto this foot so it goes flat on the floor, and then I do my hook kick that we did earlier, okay? Now, when doing the spin hook kick, one of the most important things is to have patience when learning this kick, okay? And doing this kick for the first few times, or first few hundred times. Patience in the sense of don't kick too soon, okay? You don't want to bring your leg up too early, because if I do, I'm going to be kicking out here and I won't be attacking in the right spot, okay? My kick will already be finished before I even reach my target or my point of impact. Learn to love the process of getting into this kick. So from here, I really want to turn, spot my target before I even release the kick. Here, okay? And then that way you're guaranteed that you're going to make impact on the right spot. So, from here, I turn, I pivot, I see my target, and then I hook. Alright? I know it seems a lot to take in, but as long as you do those steps, you will not miss that target. You'll have your eyes on it, and then your leg will then follow through, okay? So here, you mustn't release that kick until you see that target in front of you with your own eyes. Otherwise you're kicking blind, okay? I would never throw a front kick or a side kick at an opponent without even looking where they are, because they might have moved or they might be moving, okay? So from here, I turn, spot the target, and then that's when I release the kick, okay? So make sure you do those points. Pivot, hips turning, upper body turning, guard is ready, I've spotted my target, I can see where I'm kicking, and then the last thing to come around is that kick and that leg, okay? That's the basic principles for your spin hook kick. I'm just going to show you a few examples fast. So here, and again, you really want a nice snap in that kick. Explode through that target, and there you have it. That's your spin hook kick complete.